Hear me out. Ah, Eto. Ay, ang aga ng iyong kontrobersyal na tanong. Pero maganda yung tanong mo, hear me out, ha? Ask ko lang, Tita It, may reply na bang INC ulit about Sarah's impeachment? Binaliwala ng government. Ang panawagan nila, when is rally part 2? Well, wala tayong masyado naririnig, no? I guess your guess is as good as mine. But that's very interesting, no? As an afterthought kasi, 'di ba nung last nating live pinag-usapan natin din 'yan, no? Parang binaliwala ang pakiusap ko noon ng BBM, no, which kinarga ng INC. When we know, I think that was the official stand of the INC regardless of what BBM has to say, no? Kumbaga ginagawa lang nilang apolitical sila. Wala silang kinakatigan. So they had to yung nasabi ko, win-win situation na lang ginawa nila na kunwari, no, we are pro-peace. So, in order for us to keep the pro-peace is kailangan walang impeachment. Kinokonekta-konekta na lang nila. Now that did not happen and in fact the impeachment pushed through, ano ang official reaction ng Iglesia ni Cristo? I think that will have to wait for next week, no? They will be very, very careful again in crafting their response, no? And as you expect this, they are always, even though they're not political, they are politically correct all the time. The only religious organization that I felt na ipupush pa din nila what they believe in their principles and yet they're doing it politically correct. No, hindi kagaya ng I hate to say it, no, and pasensya na kayo kahit ako'y Katoliko po, no, I'm not practicing, talagang dito, medyo sablay po talaga ang Roman Catholic Church sa kanilang pag-handle nito situation na to, no? They have already expressed fully, no, their clear stand by, of course, even allowing particular churches na doon na ibawalan yung ibang mga political stand, no, in favor of yung mga political stands na pinaniniwalaan nila. Kasi doon pala makikita mo, no, di ba, hear me out, no, yung yung hindi pinapagamit ang sa shrine, the church itself, regardless if it's private, no, if it's private or public, doon mo makikita yung magiging neutral yung simbahan, no? So, kung gusto nila walang politika dito, whether or not it's pro or against, let it be. Walang gagawa ng political activities dito. But pagdating po sa mga yellow and pink na activities, abay, nako, lahat ng portalet yata sa Maynila ni-rent nila para lang yung kakarampot nilang mga mga a-attend. May mga portalet, kanya-kanya portalet siguro yan, ano. Pero nung panahon na nangangailangan itong mga kasamahan natin na naniwala na ang EDSA is still the symbol of expression of freedom, abay, alam niyo po ba, isa ako sa mga nagtawag. And hindi ito fake news, nagtawag po ako ng portalet nung panahon na yun kasi yun ang problema nila nung mga panahon na yun. Maraming nagbibigay ng pagkain, ng pera, tubig, no? And I did it on my own. I don't know how to coordinate, no? I don't know how to connect with other people. At saka yung mga nag-organize po, syempre medyo pag ano nyo na siguro to, no, na experience nyo na nagme-message kayo sa mga fina-follow nyo, unfortunately hindi kayo nasasagot. Nababaon po yan sa sobrang dami. Hindi na namin nakikita kung sino yung nasasagot namin o hindi. Well, I do still attempt to answer most of yours kasi konti pa naman kayo, hindi pa naman ganun ka grabe yung traffic sa aking message, no? Pero I can imagine na yung mga hundreds ilan million na yung mga followers or whatever, no, ganun ang volume, they will not be able to see the messages. So I took it upon myself, like I always do, no, I don't have to wait for other people. I can do this on my own. So I went and called different portalets provider. Nung una sinasagot ka pa eh, kasi sabi ko, I'm from this place and I would like to send some portalets sa isang event dyan. And then, nung nalaman nila sa yung event, hindi na sila sumasagot. Okay? So, medyo takot. May takot, no? Nung time na yun. I think also, Maui also said that they were not allowed. Meron pa isa nagsabi sa akin eh, na hindi sila na-allow to deposit the portalet or park the portalet in the vicinity of the shrine. Kasi hindi na rin daw pinagamit yung mismong washroom. Washroom po is the comfort room, no? Sa salita ng Philippine English, no? Hindi nga pinababa. So there you go. Doon pa lang, very basic, hear me out, no? Kaya kanya-kanyang diskarte ang mga religious organization on how they feel they could also express or sound off kung ano yung stand ng kanilang mga followers, no? Kasi hindi naman pwedeng hindi sila maninindigan. Sabi nga nila, whether or not you like it, politics and public the people those who are involved in both the religious practice and faith and politics, no, in general, are people na they are common, they're the same people. Hindi mo naman sineparate ito politiko lang, ito religion lang. Kumbaga ang pagkatao ng isang tao, no, is composed of so many aspects in his life, and it's the same human person. So it's possible that this will have to somehow conflict with each other. So paano 'yon, no? So the faith itself has to kailangan may direction din siya ibibigay. Remember, it's the faith, it's the religious aspect of the person or non-religious aspect for those who do not believe, 'di ba? Na generally yan ang nagdidikta kung ano sa kanya yung tama o mali. Tama? So kung ganun 'yon ang pananaw ng isang tao, then it's just logical that religion will have to come into play. Pero depende, no? May mga mali at tamang pananaw din kahit papano, no? Especially when you are already stepping on other people's shoes, no? That's for another topic, no? Pero hear me out. I hope I answered your question. Hindi pa natin alam. I think it's way too early just because everything just unraveled last week and we were all shocked to our senses, no? Na parang anticipated. Let's be honest about that, no? We kind of anticipated kasi nga yung character naman ng Congress na to parang gagawin naman ang lahat kahit kahindik-hindik na sa pananaw ng ordinaryong mamamayan. Something that you will not expect them to do anymore. Ay, expect the unexpected na lang, no? Because for them, there are no borders. There are no lines, no? We push the envelope. We define the line. Kumbaga, ganon. At ang susunod nun ay magdemanda kayo, which we will talk about in a bit, no? Kasi parang doon papunta lahat, no? The only defense that we have right now is actually a clear offense, no? Yung tayo ang kailangan na nating manindigan sa pamamagitan ng pagsampa ng mga kaukulang mga kaso, which I think was very much already called for and rather late na nga, no? Kasi marami na dapat yan kinasuhan na yung mga yan, no? And if we did that earlier on, they would have understood that we're not going to take this sitting down. Kailangan yung sagutin yung mga katanungan regarding the excessive use of your powers or kung kami lang ba ang nakakaisip na sumusobra kayo. Okay? Because 'Cause clearly kapag nandiyan kami, nakiharap kami sa inyo, yung kapangyarihan niyo ang mananaig kasi teritoryo niyo 'yan. We're talking about of course the House of Representatives and at some point yung executive branch din 'no. Pero, a little bit downplayed siya kasi parang, yun na nga, it seems to be the House of Representatives is seemingly running the country right now kasi lahat na lang ng aspeto ng buhay ng mga Pilipino ay nakasawsaw sila. Ayun, hear me out ha. Okay.